Okay then, how could you create a gradient over an image with like a layer of opacity? Working on this, just experimenting with this site here. Probably not the greatest of colours, but I've got a gradient going over this image. It's like a parallax scrolling section. And another one here. So how could I change the layer of opacity? Let's go and have a look. All that on. Okay. Note. I'll just work on Notepad for today. Need to look at the CSS sections. Okay then, so I'm going to change the opacity. I need to first of all find the image. It's a hero image. Hero, background, red, green, blue, and A, which is for the black. Red, green, blue, A. So there's the colour, which is supposed to be like a crimson red, and that 0.85 is the like an opacity. So if I change that down, as you can see, it's at 0.85. So if I change that down now to 25, that's a quarter of the colour. Go down to the next image. Call to action, here we are. Now here we have a background linear gradient. So there are two gradients. It would go from one to the other, probably top to bottom, 85 to 95. They're quite deep. So what I need, maybe 45, right down to 0.15. So I'm minimalising it from 1 to 0.00 in making it much weaker, which I want. I want to see the difference from those images that I showed. It's going to be much different. This is a background linear gradient. Okay, save those. Let's go out. Preview in the browser. That's probably a little bit too light actually. The image is showing there's just a touch, a very faint red over it. Probably a little bit too faint actually. I put that 0.15. This one's gone from a dark green to, again, almost the colour of the image I put in. You can see again a very slight hue. I'm going to go back and change them again. was a bit too light. It's gone from too dark to too light, but I can show it again. Maximize. Hero section, here it is. So the background, the colours in red, green and blue. That's like a crimson red, and 0.25 was a little bit too weak. I'm going to put 45 in and go down to the next image. I'm going to put 75 to maybe 20. No, I'm going to put 55, 0.55, and that'll work down to 0.25. I'm going to save there. So before I leave this page, as you can see, this is how it's done. The red, green, blue cover is a background colour. Put colours in. Then the last one is the opacity. So it's under 1. 1 would be full. Okay, so that's how you add the opacity. So let's go back. So this should be about the right layer opacity that I'm after. I think it was 0.45 I put on the image. That one, that's a bit better, that's quite nice. That's quite nice on that. And the second image, a little bit dark, not too dark. Give it a faint touch of green. I'm just experimenting at the moment. Yeah, that's like a parallax scrolling section. I've done a video on that if you want to know how you can add that parallax scrolling effect. The image is solid, the other sections scroll over. I think that was the first video I'd done.